DJ Delz.
Funko Pop Addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz. We got a brand new episode. So, I have every single WWE Funko Pop chase except Finn Balor. I went on their website about a week ago and they were on sale for about $5.30. So I figured why not buy a couple of cases because it's 1 out of 6. So I ordered 12 of them. Let's see if I have any luck getting the chase. I figured why not give it a shot. It'll be a fun video. Plus, if you think about it, it's about $30 to $40 to buy from a reseller. So why not just see how the odds are? Let's have a experiment and have some fun at the same time. Hopefully I have fun with this video. I know you guys are gonna have fun regardless watching this, even if I catch that L, which I don't want to catch. But regardless, hit that thumbs up button right now for this video and let's see, are the odds for real? 1 in 6 chances. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous right now about this. Oh man, I hope I don't catch that L. Imagine if I have just 12 Finn Balor Funko Pops. That's gonna be horrible. So this is how they packed it. As you can see. I don't want to see, you know, the Funko Pops. I want to like pull it out and we'll see it together. So, number 1, it's a common. Let's go for number 2. Hope we have some luck. Oh, we got a chase! We got it! So it was worth it. It was worth it right off the bat. Chase! How's the box? A little beat up, but we got the chase. Oh, man. And that's all that matters. As long as I got the damn chase, I'm happy. And by the way, comment right now. I will give away a Finn Balor Funko Pop, definitely. So comment and just write anything, but you know, just leave a comment, thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. I will be checking to make sure that you're subscribed, that you hit the thumbs up, that you left the comment. There's a way to find that out. I copy and paste the link, so don't cheat on me. You make sure that you actually subscribed. I'll be able to tell. So I'll give away a Finn Balor Funko Pop. I'll give away more than one. I'll give 2 away. So we got another common right there. So we're 1 for 3. We got another common, 1 for 4. We got another common, 1 for 5. Man, if I pull another chase out, that would be so sick. We got another common. Another common. Shit. Another common. Damn, I wanted to see more than one chase. Another common. Is that everything? No, we got more. Oh, there's one more. Come on, be a chase. It's gonna be a common. Common. Oh! Yes! 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 We got 2 chases out of it. So this was totally worth it. 2 chases out of 2 dozen. Hey, follow my Twitter at DJ Delz, DJ-D-E-L-Z. I did tweet. Let me get this box out of the way. I did tweet when these went on sale. And you're able to get Vince McMahon. You're able to get The Rock. Those all have chases. I think even Triple H. So this works. And my boy, he tried it out and it worked for him too. He got mad Vince McMahon. So I mean, it's pretty crazy, man. I wish I got a whole bunch of these, but out of 12, I got 2 chases. I'm pretty effing happy right now. So I got all the WWE chases now. Funko Pop Addict is a very happy guy right now. And let's see the... Ah, shit! Look, box is ripped. Right when I said I was happy, This one has a damn rip. I could always do the box swap. I know someone's about to type that, but still, man, that's just how it goes, right? Just Murph's Law right there, man. That's just how it goes down. We got the chase, though. Let's check them out of the box, right? Alright, so here we go with a detailed look. We got Finn Balor and the Demon Finn Balor right there. Love the details. I mean, this is an awesome chase. One of the best ones because of the fact it's so different, you know, with all of the paint on there, from on the face to on the chest. It just looks badass, man. Looks so sick. Even the boots are different. You got little designs on the legs and whatnot. Really, really awesome. There's a side profile. There's a look at their backs. And there's a look at their other sides. And there's a close-up look at the chase. With all the details, man, that are sick. And there's the common. Definitely looks like Finn Balor. And you see in the background, I know some of you guys noticed, here's some of my WWE Funko Pops. Autographed Razor Ramon Scott Hall chase. Got the Iron Sheik, we got Jake the Snake Roberts, $1 Million Man, Triple H chase right there. We got Roddy Piper, we've got Alexa Bliss autographed, Kane, Undertaker, Hulk Hogan, Ultimate Warrior, and we got the Vince McMahon chase right there. So those are all of the WWE chases. And real quick, I was just looking at the invoice. I did not order 12. I only ordered 10. I mean, only ordered, still a lot, but the odds weren't good in my favor to get 2 chases, but we were able to get 2 chases out of 10 Funko Pops. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thanks for tuning into today's video. Please, if you haven't banged that thumbs up button, please do so. Subscribe if you're new. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I do have that Toy Tokyo Halloween mystery box. I did order one. They tried delivering it to my house today, but you had to sign for it. I wasn't home. I had someone at the house, but they didn't come in to the door on time. So I'm shit. Hopefully tomorrow there's no issues. I told people at my house, make sure when that doorbell rings, you sign for that. Hopefully I don't catch that L, man. I seen one YouTuber opened up the mystery box, $40 mystery box, and got the damn Lando Calrissian Hot Topic Funko Pop. I will freaking be so pissed off if I get that, man. I may launch it out the window. I may literally just throw it out the damn window. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll give it away before I throw any Funko Pop out the window. Never could understand that when people destroy stuff, you know, like because you don't like it. Give it to someone else, because there's always someone that's gonna like what you think is trash. Like people burn stuff they don't like, or just like will go crazy and hit it with a hammer. You see all them viral videos. I can never understand that. Like if you don't like the item, give it to someone. Someone will really love that damn item. Just a little food for thought. I'm happy, even though the damn box is ripped. I'm pretty damn happy because, you know, these are worth about $40. I spent about, I think, $60. So I got 2 of these, and I'm gonna give away 2 Funko Pop Finn Balor's, not the chases, the commons, and we're good, man. We are good. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. I'll catch you guys tomorrow with a new video. Hopefully that Toy Tokyo video. So make sure to turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out. Plus, matter of fact, I scored this chase over at Box Lunch. They finally opened up a Box Lunch in my city, and I was able to get the chase, man. They had multiple chases just chilling, and the day before they had 30 chases. Check out the video. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen or at the end of the video, and if you don't see that, then definitely just go to the main page, watch my recent videos. I also reviewed the Star Wars Smuggler box, which is bonkers. Definitely watch that video too. I'm out of here. Much love. We out. So happy he's back.
DJ Delz.
DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield.
Oh, massive.
That's right. Delete. Delete. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching more. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
Yes, DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful. Yes.
Senor Benjamin.
Ready to a Balor Funko massacre.